Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about what are the top 5 platforms where we can promote our products without any investment, without paying anything to anyone. How we can promote our own social media profile, product or services on social media. So first of all, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also press the bell icon. So what are the top 5 platforms where we can promote ourselves without anyone's help? So number 1 is Facebook. On Facebook we can promote ourselves or our services or our products by sharing our posts, by sharing our products. So what we need to do for this? First of all, we need to join 10 to 15 groups related to our niche. After joining, we need to post what we need to post. After posting, we need to share our post into the groups. The groups will help your post to reach maximum people. So this was our number 1. Our number 2 is TikTok. On TikTok, we can easily share and promote ourselves, our services or our products easily. For this, we need to follow any trending topic or any trending music. Create a video on it and show yourself, services or products. Sooner or later your video will be in trending and this will help you to grow yourself. So our number 3 platform is same like TikTok, Snack video. You can also follow the trend here to promote yourself. You only need to create videos as much as possible. So our number 3 platform is Twitter. You can also promote yourself, promote your services or promote your products by using the trending hashtags. Use trendy hashtag and share your posts on Twitter. This will help you to reach maximum people. So our number 4 is Instagram. It's difficult to have followers on Insta easily, but we can try out by posting as much as possible. Within 5 to 7 days, you will be able to have more than 1000 followers easily if you post regularly. So our number 5 is WhatsApp. Use your social contacts or family contacts to spread out yourself. Share your link personally or post them to your WhatsApp status. This will also help you to grow yourself. So these are our top 5 without investment procedure to promote ourselves on social media. If you have any questions related to this topic, then please comment here. I will reply it as soon as possible. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye.